Hello everyone, welcome back to our page. So take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then you have to rotate it. So you can see how we have done it. Now you have to make a ponytail. Now divide the hairs into two parts, divide it from the between and then you have to rotate the hairs like this from the between. Fold it upward, tie it with the rubber band. Now again divide it from the between or tie it from the bottom like this. Fold it and then rotate the hairs upward and then fix it with this bun pin. And your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the top, tie it like this with the rubber band. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll it and fold it around the ponytail and then tie it with the rubber band as shown in the video. Now after you are done with this, take the hairs and divide it from the between, fold it upward and then fix the hair bun pin from the downside like this to make a bun. You can see how we have done it and you can put a beautiful clutch on the top or these hairpins and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides, tie it from the back and then rotate it. Now we have to take the hairs and divide them into 2 or 3 parts like this. You can see we are fixing them on the alternative sides using the hairstyling tool. Now follow the same step on the other side like this. So you can see we have done it. Now pull out the hairs from the other side. Now make the plaits on all the hairs by joining them. Now after making the plaits, at the end we'll be folding it upward, roll it and fix it inside the hairs and cover up like this. Now you can put a hair bun pin from the outside to fix the hairs and put a bun pin on the top. And your hairstyle is ready. Next, moving forward, we'll be showing you some more interesting hairstyles. So take the hairs from the sides, take half section of the hairs and then make the plaits on it by joining them like this. So you can see how we are making the plaits on the hairs as we are tying it. Now take another section of the hairs from the sides, tie it on the top and then rotate it. Now join the hairs and tie the ponytail as shown in the video. Now after that, we have to divide the hairs into 3 parts and make the plaits like this. So after making the plaits, we have to fold it upward and then fix it and then you have to spread the hairs like this from the sides. And then we have to put the hair bun pin on the top of it like this. Fix it and you can put a hair clutch on the top if you want, otherwise your hairstyle is ready. Next, moving forward, we'll be showing you some more interesting hairstyles. So next is, we have to take the hairs and make a ponytail, tie the half section of the hairs and tie it with the rubber band. Now tie it from the between and then we have to rotate it like this. Now after rotating it, fix it on the top and spread the hairs like this from the sides, roll it and fix it. So you can see how we have done it. Now put the hair clutch on the top of it and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.